In this video, I will show you how to see Discord ID. So it is absolutely possible to find your Discord user ID, or you can even use this method to find other users' Discord user ID. To get started, open up Discord and log into your account. Once you've done that, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner, click onto this gear icon to go into your settings, and from here you want to come to the menu on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and click onto the developer option. Once you've done that, go ahead and turn on developer mode if you haven't done so already, and once that's done you can close down your settings. So if we start with my profile, what I'm going to do is click onto my profile down here, and you're going to see an option come up called copy user ID. So you can give that a click, and then of course you can paste that wherever you need to. You can also check other people's Discord ID by simply right clicking onto their name, and you're going to see their copy user ID button come up as well. Give that a click, and again you can paste that wherever you need to. So that is how to see Discord ID. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.